Assemble demo. Open the packing case. The upper layer is the accessories placement area. It contains the document probe. The lower layer is the main unit placement area, which contains the host, probe sheath, power line, and adapter. Instrument basic structure. On the back of the machine, there are fan, power switch, charger interface, and a probe sock. There are VGA port, USB port, HDMI out, DICOM port. Instrument installation. About the probe connection, please plug and unplug probe must be in the shutdown mode. Make sure to plug the right direction before plugging the probe. Lock up the probe after plugging the probe. Put the probe sheath on the machine. About the adapter connection, make sure the flat set down. Insert one end to the charging port. Insert another end to the power line. Then access the power supply. Start up operation. Open the lock on the top of the machine. Put down the control panel gently. Turn on the power switch on the back of the machine. Enter into the system. The check tab selection interface is entered with the default mode. Use the trackball and set key to select and enter into the ultrasound scan interface. On the left of the screen is the image and video store. You can share, delete, and view. On the right of the screen is the current parameter. On the below is the system parameter address bar, which can be selected and adjusted by direction keys. The indicators show the current battery level on the lower side of the control panel. Please charge the battery immediately when only one indicator is on. Press on-off key to turn off the system. Then switch off the power button after the screen turns dark. Create a new patient information. Press patient key, enter into the patient interface, input patient information, choose the OK button to save and quit. To get a better image, you can adjust the total gain and the time gain control. Press the Save key to save the image. Press the Report key to choose the type of the report. Edit the report. Choose the image to show. Then you can save or review the report.